Here Mr. Vasant Manwadkar, Chief Information Officer, Cosmos Bank with us. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much
welcome.
for your time.
Yeah.
So today's seminar is all about IT and IT implementation in banking sector.
Okay.
How do you perceive the IT developments within the banking sector in India?
Yeah. See, basically, banking is far ahead in India compared to other countries. I studied in United States almost for 14 years, and comparing to United States and any North American banking development, India is far ahead because whatever is coming in India, everything is brand new.
Okay.
So latest technologies are coming in India, and a lot of consolidation is happening in India. So like 2-3 years ago, banks were considering about automation, digitization of banking processes, but the time has come where every bank wants to innovate,
Yes.
consolidate, and take the share in the pie in the banking. So that is more. Banks used to think more about ROI, but now no one is looking for ROI. Everybody wants to be a first mover. They want to take advantage of first mover and grab the market. So whatever is coming, they have to be first, get it, reach to the customer, give the best experience to the customer, and move forward.
So how Cosmos Bank have been able to adopt the latest advancement in IT technology?
Yeah, so you see, Cosmos Bank is a cooperative bank. We are the second largest cooperative bank in India. We have some small stigma of cooperative bank, but still all the IT systems in our bank are at par with private banks. 14 years ago, we started using Finacle as a core banking system, and since last 14 years, whatever systems we implemented and technologies used in our bank are at very advanced level. We went live on internet banking at very early stage, mobile banking, then the financial inclusion, tablet banking. This initiative, we were the first bank in India to do it, but because of the smaller size, we could not advertise it like ICICI Bank.
Right.
But we are the first bank implemented tablet banking.
Okay.
And the tablet banking has like account opening and also banking transactions.
Yes.
A lot of banks came up only with account opening process, but we went live on the first day with account opening, and a lot of transactions happen on the tab. So other than that, we in early stage we started on consolidating all hardware. We did cloud, internal cloud, a lot of consolidation at hardware and software level also happen. So we are ahead of a lot of even private banks in IT.
So a lot of wallets are coming up nowadays in the market, right?
Yeah.
And banks have started.
Right.
Do you, Cosmos Bank, also planning to come up with any?
Actually, we being a cooperative bank, there are a lot of restrictions.
Right.
Like the way private banks can do, we can't do it.
Oh, okay.
So that's the reason we are not with credit card. Recently, RBI approved cooperative banks to have credit card,
Okay.
but wallets, credit cards were not allowed for cooperative banks.
Okay.
That's the reason we are not into that space. And at the same time, the kind of customer class we have, we are more into like a retail banking,
Right.
and a lot of SME and retail customers are our main customers, and especially the traditional banking what we did in last 110 years. We are 110 years old bank, so the traditional banking, which was the majority of our customers were like senior citizens and old 50 plus. So to keeping in mind those kind of customers, we did not go for wallets at the
But aren't
beginning.
you planning to, or wish to tap the younger generation?
Yes, we are trying. We are changing our business processes, and also we are behind the Reserve Bank of India to get approvals on those kind of things,
Right.
so that we can roll out and we can catch up our next generation customers.
What are the other challenges for cooperative banks?
The major challenges for cooperative bank itself is a cooperative bank as a stigma, so it's difficult to hire best talent into this industry.
Okay.
There are a couple of reasons. Is everybody wants to work in metros
Right.
and big brand names.
Yes.
So that is one thing. Second thing is the poor management practices in lots of cooperative banks that holds good talent to go there, stay there, and grow there. That's the biggest challenge right now. A lot of cooperative banks are facing it. But whoever has a better management, they are able to hire good talent.
Okay. So, will you update us on the forthcoming initiatives of Cosmos and future plans?
Yeah, basically, Reserve Bank is pushing us to become a private.
Okay.
So we are building our internal systems, processes, and organization to become private in next 2-3 years.
2-3 years.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. All right. What are your views on the CTO Summit, sir?
Yeah, this is very good. Last couple of events I attended.
Uh-huh.
This is far better than previous one. It's you are improving, and it's a good class of executives are present this time, and the agenda is also very good.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's very good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Okay,
so much.
you're welcome.
We will keep in touch with you and keep inviting you in our BFSS
Yeah.
CTO Summit.
Sure, sure,
Future as well.
sure.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.